Welcome Jethro's Garage. Hey, today we're going to talk about this GearWrench set. I'll put the model number in the comments below. But hey, bought it on Prime Days. Got a little bit of a savings. I've been wanting a set. They seem like they're pretty good. Been going through them, and they all, except for two, feel good. The action feels great. The machining looks good. Nothing wrong with them. I'd be happy to use them. The 10 millimeter, go figure, has a slight catch in it. I'm gonna bring it up to the camera, and you're not, I doubt you're gonna be able to hear it. But right there. Right there. It sort of gets caught. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. I'm gonna use them, see if it makes it. There's one more that's tight here. Let's see. Maybe it's this one. No. Well, maybe it's loosened up. But hey, I like the kit. It was worth what I paid for it. There's a bunch out there, a bunch of different ones. Probably be happy with any of them, a Husky, whatever. I'm not using them all the time, just when I'm trying to get into tight areas. I'm not doing a whole lot of new vehicles. Mainly I work on my son's little car and my little car when I need to. So no biggie. Yeah, my main stuff is Harleys, my old Fairlane, I got an old 86, well, my son's got an 86 F-150, and just things like that. Other than that, I try not to fool with a whole lot of newer stuff. Not that I don't know how, it's just there's a whole lot of other junk going on with them, and it's just too aggravating, and I don't own a computer to diagnose stuff. Every now and then I borrow one to figure out which coil's bad and all that. But anyway, that's this kit. I'll put a link below for y'all to check it out. I wanted to do a little bit longer of a video with this instead of the 1 minute tool review. So y'all take care, and I'll see y'all again later. Bye.